In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Apple Calendar not syncing. If you're facing issues with your Apple Calendar not syncing between your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or iCloud, don't worry. We will go through a series of steps to help you resolve this issue effectively. First, we need to ensure that Calendars is enabled in iCloud. Start by opening the Settings app on your device. You will see a list of options. Look for your name at the top and tap on it. This will take you to your Apple ID settings. From here, find and tap on iCloud. This section allows you to manage what data syncs with iCloud. Make sure that the toggle for Calendars is turned on. This step is crucial because if Calendars is not enabled, your events won't sync across devices. Next, let's check that all your devices are signed in with the same Apple account. This means ensuring that your iPhone, iPad, and Mac are all using the same Apple ID for iCloud. You can confirm this by going to Settings on each device and tapping on your name. If they are not the same, sign in with the correct account. This is important because syncing relies on all devices being connected to the same account. Now we need to check your internet connection. Calendar syncing requires either Wi-Fi or mobile data to function properly. To do this, turn off airplane mode if it is enabled. You can find this option in the Settings app. After that, try opening a website in your browser to confirm that you are connected to the internet. A stable internet connection is essential for any syncing activity. Without it, your calendar will not be able to update. After confirming your internet connection, let's verify that Apple's iCloud services are working properly. Sometimes there can be service outages affecting calendar data synchronization. You can check Apple's system status page online to see if there are any ongoing issues. This is a good step to take because it informs you if the problem lies with Apple's services rather than your devices. Next up, we will refresh your calendars. Open the Calendar app on your device. Once the app is open, look for the Calendars button at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. This will show you a list of your calendars. To force a refresh, pull down on the list. This action prompts the app to sync and update your calendar data. Refreshing your calendars can often resolve minor syncing issues. Now, let's make sure your device has the correct date and time set. Go to Settings, then tap on General and select Date and Time. Here, turn on the option for Set Automatically. Having the correct date and time is vital because any discrepancies can lead to syncing problems. Next, we need to check your calendar sync settings. Open Settings again and navigate to Apps, then tap on Calendar and select Sync. In this section, choose the option for all events. Some users have found that changing this setting, even temporarily, can resolve missing events. This little adjustment can save you a lot of time later by ensuring all your events sync properly. Finally, let's restart your iPhone or iPad. This is a simple yet effective troubleshooting step. If restarting does not resolve the issue, go back to your iCloud settings and turn off calendars. After that, restart your device again. Once it's back on, turn calendars back on in iCloud settings. Restarting often helps clear up lingering issues that might be affecting syncing. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any syncing issues with your Apple Calendar. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps.